Home everybody, Magic Vacation Memories. We are in California and today I'm going to take on a tour of our room at the Hollywood Hotel on Vermont North. Stay tuned. Alright, so we are room 104 at the Hollywood Hotel, so come on in, let's take a look around. We did check in yesterday, so obviously the bed's not made and it's not super tidy in here right now. But you get the gist of the place. So we've got our dresser here. Welcome home. Got your clothes rack, ironing board, luggage rack, side tables. These plugs here, not great. They don't hold the outlet, like the plug in the outlet very well. So, and then we've got the fridge. This was on the bed last night when we got here. Extra bed sheet for your use. If removed, $29.99 tax plus tax applies. So now, does that mean if it's removed from the packaging, or does that mean if it's removed from the hotel and they're basically charging you to take the sheets home with you? I don't know. We weren't sure. Then we got the TV, a little desk area, another side table, some more lamps. The decorating in here is pretty interesting. The building was built in the 30s and was turned into a hotel in the 60s. I think we were told it was 65, I believe it is. So then we got a little balcony out here. Right across the street, we got a laundromat and a water station, looks like, and then a newspaper. So we're on Vermont. That's where this hotel is located in LA. And the washroom, obviously. We've got your toilet, your sink. Not a lot of counter space. Full-length mirror here. Soap and lotion in your shower. I thought it was a really deep tub, and then I opened the shower curtain and it's not. It's just elevated, that's all. And then we've got the shampoo and stuff on the wall there. So yeah, this is a quick look around our room here at the Hollywood Hotel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. We've got video as well coming for the grounds. We're going to put that all together so everyone can have a look at it. It wasn't super expensive. Not really getting a lot. Location's decent. It was nice and close to Universal, which is where we were. So, there's a plus side for that. It was like a 10-minute or less drive to Universal from here. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to share the video, and be sure to ring that notification bell so that when we upload new content, you will be first to know. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. All right, so let's take a stroll around the property here. Oh, wow. Now that's kind of cool, actually. Little sitting area out here. This little fountain. This is really neat. Looks like a bar back here. I like the balconies right off the little area. Kind of Roosevelt-esque. How you doing? That's really neat. I like that there's lots of seating areas and stuff out here. Come and relax, chill, do whatever. You've got your entryway. It is locked at night, so you can't just walk in. And the seating area in the lobby. It's kind of neat also. Hallways are a little dark. Good morning. Ooh, that room's big. So this is the parking back here. Nothing super exciting, but it is all secured. So this is the back parking. So there's lots of parking. The Hotel of Hollywood. It's kind of cool. You know what? I love the look of it. It's really neat. Not sure if it's totally the best area, but whatever. It's close to Universal, which is where we were last night for Fan Fest. So, I mean, for what we need, what we wanted, it's been perfect. The price wasn't horrible either. Okay, I did lock it. Good. Had to double check the car. Wasn't sure if I locked it last night. Again, it is completely locked and secured parking, so if someone's going to break into your car, they're going to do it from in the hotel. So, I love the fountains everywhere. Then they've got a ramp access as well. Key access to get in. So from the back, even back here in the secured parking, you need a key. The gift shop. On here. So this is the marble. Sauna, fitness center, courtyard. Let's go see what's down here. Okay, so in here's your fitness center. When I'm on holidays, there's no fitness in my schedule to go to the gym. But they've got decent equipment. Like some bikes, elliptical, treadmill, free weights. How's your day going? They have water as well, so. Let's see what else is down here. There's a pool too, or as well, I guess. Fairly wide hallways, and everything's marble, like all the floors and everything. Looks like, oh yeah, this is the courtyard I was just out in. So you have access to the courtyard from the other wing of the building as well. Here's the sauna from 6 to 10. Pool that way. So we're going this way for the pool. I'm not sure where exactly the pool was. I didn't see it. I didn't see a. Mind you, it might have been on one of the little placards by the door, and I just walked by and didn't see it, which, you know, wouldn't be surprising in the least. pool. So I'm not sure where the pool is. It's here? Nope. I don't know. I don't know where the pool is. That's more stairs. I'll have to ask and see. Still don't know where it is. So this is just the laundry. As I was saying, this is the laundry room here. The wash is running this thing. 6 minutes left. So yeah, it's as you can see right there, $5.25 for a wash, and it is $3.50 for the dryer. So, but the dryer is cash, washing machine is card. So I don't know how to make sense of that, but it's what it is. Alright, now to try and find the pool. Alright, so apparently the pool is out through the parking from what I was just told. So let's go see if we can find where the pool is. Because I wasn't sure. Unless that's it over there. I'm thinking maybe right by, oh yeah, there we go. I think I found it. Right over here, right by where I parked. Alright, well let's go take a look at the pool. Attention, no pets. Pool areas for registered guests only. Well, clearly, I mean, you need a key to get in, right? Something smells good. So, no pets, please keep door closed. Ah, so they got a pergola and some nice loungers. Very cool. Towels. Got a shower. Please keep this door closed. There's all the filtration. We don't need to see that. Some umbrellas. Got your little chair assist to get you in and out of the pool. Not a bad sized pool. I mean, oh, 8 foot deep end. That's also not common in terms of swimming pools. Normally you see a deep end that's like 5 feet at max. So that's kind of cool. And your usual, no food or beverage in the pool or on pool wet deck. No glass or animals. 20 people max. Shower before entering, no diving. Do not swallow the pool water. I mean, that's kind of common sense, but I even have a water jug out here. So if you're sitting out and you want some water, you got a cooler with water in it. Not bad at all. It's all Disney hub grass around the pool. Morning. Yeah, this is the pool area. Alright, thanks for watching today, guys. If you have any questions about this hotel or, the resort, the amenities, anything like that, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Be sure to share this channel. And as always, have a great day. Welcome home.